Now let's walk through how to apply for a RedotPay physical crypto card. Before you start, there are a couple of important things to know. Applying for a physical RedotPay card costs $100. This is a card issuance fee, and it will not be credited to your RedotPay balance. Make sure you have enough funds before applying. Also, if you're a new user, you'll receive a $5 reward when you sign up. Just keep in mind that this reward can only be used for transactions. It cannot be used to purchase a card. Now, here's how to apply. First, open the RedotPay app. Go to the Cards section and select Physical Card. Next, tap on Apply Card, $100. After that, you'll be asked to enter your billing address and shipping address. Make sure both addresses are entered in English. Also, keep in mind that RedotPay does not support certain countries or regions for billing and shipping, so double-check that your location is supported. The name you enter as the cardholder on the billing address will appear on the back of the card, and it cannot be changed after the card is issued. When entering your shipping address, accuracy is very important. Be sure to include the full street name and house number to avoid delivery issues. Your city, state, or province and postal code must match the selected country. You'll also need to provide a valid phone number for delivery contact. Once everything looks correct, confirm your shipping address that you'll then be taken back to the payment page. Click Pay and complete the payment to finish your card application. After the payment is completed, your card issuance request will be submitted. Keep in mind that it cannot be canceled, and the card fee is non-refundable. And that's it. That's how you apply for a RedotPay physical crypto card.